His key ideas are concentrated on the principle of survival of the fittest as a behavioral science. He advocated the somatotyping theory. A. W. Sheldon, B. R. Merton, C. E. Sutherland, D. Ivan Nye. Answer A. W. Sheldon. What is the meaning of R in the criminal formula? A. Total situation, B. Criminal tendency, C. Temperament, D. None of this. Answer D. None of this. The term used to refer to the adverse psychological impacts of rape on rape victims who continue to suffer long after the incident. A. Sexual anxiety, B. Rape trauma syndrome, C. Fear, D. Neurotic behavior. Answer B. Rape trauma syndrome. The term white-collar crime was coined by A. E. Sutherland, B. R. Queenie, C. E. Durkheim, D. C. Darwin. Answer A. E. Sutherland. The field of criminology is a multidisciplinary science. One of its aspects is the study of crime focused on the group of people and society which is known as A. Criminal psychology, B. Criminal sociology, C. Criminal psychiatry, D. Criminal etiology. Answer B. Criminal sociology. Inasmuch as crime is societal creation in that it exists in a society, its study must be considered a part of social science. This means that criminology is A. Applied science, B. Social science, C. Natural science, D. All of this. Answer D. All of this. Criminology changes as social condition changes. This means the progress of criminology is concordant with the advancement of other sciences that has been applied to it. This means that criminology is A. Dynamic, B. Excellent, C. Progressive, D. None of this. Answer A. Dynamic. The theory in criminology, which maintains that a person commits crime or behaves criminally mainly because he or she is being possessed by evil spirits or something of natural force that controls his or her behavior, is called A. Divine will theory, B. Demonological theory, C. Classical theory, D. All of this. Answer B. Demonological theory. The Italian leader of the positivist school of criminology, who was criticized for his methodology in his attention to the biological characteristics of offenders, was A. Lombroso, B. Beccaria, C. Darwin, D. Goring. Answer A. Lombroso. The Latin term pena means A. Police, B. Pain, C. Punishment. D. Penalty. Answer B. Pain.